This is another very popular watch with a movement. Japanese movement usually comes in low price watches. It's a very simple movement. There's a lot of variants to this. Comes in very different watches. The battery goes. Positive spring, that's the one that holds the battery in place. The battery was very simple. Very simple. I just slide it. This is moving. And two is it says there about 11 models in Japanese, Swiss, and there are only 11. It covers 210. More than 50% of the watches there in the market on range prices from I say from $800 down to $20.